On our way, Nana Bugbe. What was Bugbe?
What's that?
Say my good to me. Why not to me?
Wait, that was Bugbe. Come and join us, guys.
May I say, this soup pepper.
Pepper day.
Hot ogbolo soup. But who have you getting now?
Big bite.
Henna.
Big bite, my
Big
sister.
bite, what on again? Where's the big bite?
I know if you do that challenge.
I'm not gonna do a challenge.
Now fast now.
Even if that's fast, I'll sing with you.
Next time, we'll go shut up.
We'll divide that into two. Hey. The soup is so tasty. When the coffee this week, eh? It's okay, come on.
Pepper too much, so do water. You want fish? Hey, you know, Otobe.
So, yes, sir.
This is full challenge between Mama Shiva and myself.
Yes, sir. This one will be full challenge because you cost small.
Guys, look.
You know, see the one way they cut.
Once, now I put this thing for a month. So.
If you put that for mat once, may I beg.
We'll go hospital.
See my
We'll go hospital.
You know, see the doctor too. Papa. Just allow me to do this challenge. You know, see the one way me put for mat just now. A big.
I can't do it. Sorry to disappoint.
Yes, sir.
Before,
Jesse.
leave my fish.
And no guarona. Mama, I say, this challenge is not for you because
But I mean they win, eh?
Wicked.
So we have Joshua.
I pray. See me. I don't almost finish. I don't almost finish the whole party.
Well, see the one where they put for hand. See my one. You see why you don't give me this one? Why did they disturb me?
Jesse, let's do this challenge in peace.
Leave my fish.
Pepper did the food.
Too much.
I just had to chop this food.
You eat them.
Hey, where did you hear?
People where they do big bad challenge.
I'll feed John there.
You know what to be big bites?
I think I'll feed John there.
Like this one, 3.
No.
Yes, that be big bites. Big bites. 3. Who see that soup just so if you say small?
That's what Bolo soup be no.
Why now?
Go come in.
Wow.
Me no say gobish. Because that's what Bolo be.
Obo do to come out.
You always. How many minutes you put on soup?
Go forward down.
You make coffee. Just say, don't put my hair on inside your mouth.
That was shoot this to me near us well. Will be food and our face.
Could be domi.
And the one I feel go.
What on us?
I go win for you, Misha.
Me. Mama said, I don't believe if you move me for full challenge. Arrest me, Papa. Take fish.
Why are you on my mom? This light.
The gas heat. Yani, actually,
Yeah, for you.
Yeah, my friend, Diane.
Yeah, would ya? What for?
It's too much.
Yeah.
Hey, they kill us now. Just It's okay, Papa. It's okay. What's that?